always tracking, always alerting. This is Next Weather.
All right, hot and humid again for tomorrow without thunderstorms, without cloud cover. That helps us out, at least keeps us not, for several hours in the triple digits. Tomorrow's going to be like that, but it's so interesting, right? We don't reach 105 feels like temperatures for 2 hours. We don't get the heat advisory, but I'll tell you, it's still going to be hot. What you felt like today is going to feel like tomorrow, and really not much in the way of rainfall. Thursday looks better for us, particularly first half of the day, as a disturbance and tropical moisture begin to move in. And then the 40% chances are there, but they're kind of deceiving until you know where the storms will fire. I think very little in the way along the east of 95 with the setup even through the end of the week. It's going to be inland and Gulf Coast preferred areas for showers and thunderstorms. You see that green? That's the water vapor that's available in the atmosphere. When that approaches, the thunderstorms that develop are capable of producing heavier rainfall. So I think for Thursday, that's going to be our best shot. And then the disturbance itself will trigger severe weather. But not for us. That's going to be west. And then for tomorrow, again, not much in the way of coverage at all. I'll keep rain tracker rolling. You'll be able to see Wednesday night. And then by Thursday morning, we'll begin to see a lot more coverage, showers and storms. And these will continue to develop throughout the afternoon, bringing us some better rainfall chances for the next 7 days. In the tropics, nothing to talk about. We have quiet conditions now. Remember this time of year, particularly across the central and eastern Atlantic, still conditions not favorable there. We call that the Cabo Verde season because of the islands here. And that's when the storms kind of just travel across the whole ocean. Well, there's a lot of things impeding that. One of which, of course, is a huge plume of tropical or of Saharan dust that's moving through. Another is those upper level winds not favorable for development. So this time of year, we typically look further west, right? And so this is the extended tropical outlook. This looks out ahead 2 weeks, and this area you see in yellow here is a low probability, but not zero, of some development here in the Gulf. Again, that would be towards the end of July. We'll keep you posted if that continues to show any better signs of potentially coming to pass here. Rip current risk low side tomorrow. If you're hitting the waters, looking good. Light chop conditions with light winds and no alerts for the Atlantic waters to the Florida Keys. With your forecast for tomorrow, slight chance of a shower, storm inland, that's it. And then better chances coming up for Thursday. That'll keep temperatures down a little bit too as well on Friday, and then just more inland storms. That'll be the story for Saturday, Sunday, and heading into the early part of next week. High temperatures again about 90 degrees. Feels like numbers in the afternoon. A lot of us once again in the triple digits.